What's going on, everybody? Jacob here with the Spare Unit Company, and I'm so excited to introduce our brand new listing at 148 Daiseyfield in Courtice. Now this home is a freehold 3-bedroom, 3-bath and unit townhome. When you go inside, you're going to see over 1,500 square feet of living space, an upgraded kitchen, upgraded ensuite bath, and so much more. But enough of me talking about it, come on in and take a look. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. As you can see outside, you've got an extra large backyard with an upgraded pad. If you have any questions or comments, or you'd like to book your own private showing, never hesitate to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching and have a good one.